What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new and you've never seen my face before, hi, my name is Ash and this is my channel, Living Ash. First of all, it's really late at night, for me at least, to be filming a video. It's 10:20 p.m. but I decided to make this video because I really wanted to talk about some of my favorite date night scents that I feel like last the longest, especially for me, because I am all for a fragrance that lasts all day, because why buy something and it's not gonna last? Duh. But one thing before I get into the video, I just want to say I appreciate all of my subscribers and those who leave these amazing comments under my videos. I promise you, they literally make my day. So continue that, like, share positivity. Like, I don't know, for people who have YouTube channels who watch my channel, like, I know a lot of like people who do the same type of videos as me. You guys watch my videos too. This is kind of for you, and for people who don't do YouTube too. But there's like crazy people out here who leave crazy comments and hate comments and weird comments. Like, don't let it get to you. Don't take it personally. Like, a lot of people who leave negativity under your videos or spew negativity or hatred in life, they're usually not in a good place themselves. And I learned something from another YouTube video actually that I watched, and it was actually really helpful to me. It was like, have tough skin but have a soft heart. And that really just goes for, you know, those crazy negative people that are out here just saying negative things. Like, just sometimes empathize with them. Personally, I don't respond to negativity, and I don't think you should either. But yeah, don't let it get to you. Keep doing what you're doing. You're obviously doing something good when a whole bunch of random people are seeing what you're doing and they have some weird reason to hate on you. Yeah, so just keep doing what you're doing and appreciate the good comments. Like I said, I appreciate my loyal subscribers that just are so amazing, and I appreciate that so much. And doesn't it annoy you if you ever get like a backhanded compliment? I don't even know if that's what they call it, but like, they'll be like, I love you but, or like, I really love your channel but da da da. And it's like, girl, bye, get out of here with that nonsense. So with that being said, I'm gonna talk to you guys about some of the scents that I feel like are so amazing and that I've gotten compliments on. Like, I always take pride in that. Like, I need to get a compliment on something and then I'm like, check, it's a good one. Because if they don't smell it, then I'm like, this ain't it. Okay, so the first scent I'm going to talk to you guys about, which the reason I picked this one first is because I just recently wore it like yesterday, and I got compliments on this. Like, my mom was almost like, what are you wearing? Like, where did you get that perfume from? And I'm like, haha, it's not a perfume, it's a fine fragrance mist from Bath and Body Works. And she was far away from me, so that was really good. I really like that. And also, this scent lingered on me all day. I had actually paired it with the Ultra Shea body cream, which duh, like, I feel like that helps so much with trying to get a scent to last. But this is something I'd wear out on a date. I feel like it's so sexy. It's kind of like nighttime vibes, even though I wore it in the day. Like, you can wear this at, you know, in the day too. But yeah, Sweet Whiskey. It's actually kind of new. I wonder if some stores are having this 50% off now, because I know that they're trying to get rid of their fall fragrances so that they can bring in the winter stuff. So try to get Sweet Whiskey. Maybe it's 50% off in your stores. Go check, let me know. But this is something I would definitely wear on a date, and something that I would wear just all day because it lasts so long and it smells so good, you guys. And I love that they're putting the notes on the back, and I love that, hold up, first, I love that this is like something I've never had before, and that the name almost threw me off because I wasn't gonna buy it because I was like, what the heck is a Sweet Whiskey? But it was actually good. And the notes are golden amber, vanilla infused whiskey, and sweet red berries. Again, definitely recommend Sweet Whiskey. Try it out, let me know what you think. Next, I have this gem here. This is Into the Night. Into the Night is a perfect representation of a date night. Going out, I want you to smell me, I'm gonna be strong tonight, okay? Into the Night is literally what its name is. Like, it's so good. And it's like a spicy scent. It gives me spice, okay? Like, it's spice and everything nice. Now, honestly, like, I'm really real with you guys on this channel. I wasn't even really a fan of Into the Night at first, because I got it as a gift from my friend, and I was like, oh, okay. But then I started wearing it, and I think for me, sometimes a fragrance during a certain occasion can make me like it more. Like, if I'm going to the beach, I probably don't want to smell like Into the Night. Like, if I'm going out, I'm into the night, I'm stepping out, I'm gonna put this on, and this might give me that feeling like, okay, yeah, I'm ready for the night, I'm prepared. You know, certain things like I'll really wear at the beach, if you guys know that scent, to the beach, because I just know that's my at the beach fragrance. I think for me, I like to think of when I wear like a fragrance of a certain memory, like it does bring me back to a certain memory. So if this can take me back to a fun night out, that's what I'm gonna wear. But this is so good, and I promise you guys it stays on all day. I pair it with the body lotion and I'm good to go. Another one that honestly wasn't even like all that to me at first, but then I started actually taking time and wearing these things out to places, and I fell in love. In the Stars. I love In the Stars. In the Stars smells so good. And it's so different. Oh my gosh. In the Stars is strong, okay? I have the body lotion, I have the Ultra Shea body cream, I have the travel size, I have this. I wish I had the shower gel though, because I would definitely buy that. But In the Stars is so nice. I definitely, again, I say date night because these are kind of strong, and I like to save my strong stuff for like dress up outfits. But like, you can wear this anytime. Like, this is very, very nice. I actually don't recommend wearing a lot of these during the day, especially like on an interview, because sometimes, you know, when you go on an interview, when you smell too strong, it can be like too much for the person. So be mindful of that. Like, don't overdo these things. In the Stars is really nice. I love the packaging. It's so cute, you guys. If you don't have In the Stars, you should definitely go get it. They have it year-round at Bath & Body Works right now, and I love it. I love this one so much, you guys. And the lotion smells so good. Oh, and the hand cream. That's what got me into this. The hand cream, I used to put it on at night when I was going to bed, and that's when I fell in love with it, because I kept smelling my hands and I was like, ooh, this is nice. Next, this is Rose. Rose is so pretty. I love Rose, and I think I chose Rose because I feel like it's a strong scent. Like, I love it, and I have it in the lotion. I love Rose. This is one of my favorite scents now from Bath & Body Works, Rose. And I actually fell in love with it, one, because I was able to get the Ultra Shea body cream at Marshall's for $7. And you know this is like, what, $14.50? The lotion's probably like $12.50. I was happy with that little deal. But yeah, Rose Fine Fragrance Mist is super good, and I definitely will wear this on a date night. And I think I would just smell myself and be like, oh my gosh, I smell so good. Like, especially out the shower and I spray this on, it's over with. I really like Rose, and I definitely would recommend it on a date night. Oh my goodness. And again, I recommend you guys pair these with the body lotion if you can. Like, trust me, I was on the train of like not wearing the body lotion and the Fine Fragrance Mist. Like, I'd put on a body lotion of one scent and then wear another scent that's like totally different, and I don't like it. I like to pair them, like put them together. It just helps it last longer. But I'm not opposed to mixing though. I just feel like now that I can pair them, I feel better, if that makes sense. Next up, I have Dahlia. Dahlia is new. So new as in a couple months, because with Bath & Body Works, they come out with a scent after a scent after a scent. So I feel like, is anything ever new? Is Dahlia is old now. Sweet Whiskey is old now, because they have all these new scents with new packaging. It makes things old fast. It's crazy. But Dahlia is so good. Dahlia has become one of my favorites as well, because it does remind me of an expensive perfume, and I like it because I have the Fine Fragrance Mist in it. And I definitely feel like Dahlia is just really pretty, man. Like, I had it in the shower when I went to Atlanta a couple weeks ago, and I was just like, oh my gosh, like the whole shower was smelling good. Dahlia just smells so good, you guys, and I would definitely wear this out on a date. And I don't know if you guys know this about me, I'm literally a hopeless romantic. I am like, date night, who, me? You taking me? Okay, like I'm getting dressed up and I'm ready to go. I love dates, and I love just getting dressed up, feeling cute, smelling good. Like, those are the things that I feel like in life make me the happiest. Like, taking a shower is one of my things that I like to do, and like smelling good and feeling good, that's just me. And Dahlia is something I would look forward to putting on for a date and for the daytime too, because I don't mind. This smells so good. Next up, we have Cashmere Glow. This one is a retired fragrance. Love Cashmere Glow. I have it in the Ultra Shea body cream and the Fine Fragrance Mist. And Cashmere Glow is like classy, very classy. It's deep though. Like, I really like this scent a lot, and I feel like Cashmere Glow, I actually don't use it a lot. Like, it's at the top because I just don't use it that much, because I do save it for like an occasion, which is crazy because I do have expensive perfumes too, so don't get me wrong. But definitely like pairing these, and then I do probably add like a little, girl, I'm smelling strong, okay? I'm smelling really, really good when I go out, and you should be too. Like, this is what I'm trying to put you guys onto the recommendations. But I also want you guys to let me know what you guys will wear on a date night too, like, or if you have gone on a date recently, like, what did you wear? Like, leave that down in the comments because I would really love to know. But I really like Cashmere Glow, also Sensual Amber too, but I didn't include her in the video this time. But yeah, Cashmere Glow, I like this one. This gem right here, this one is one of my favorites from Bath & Body Works. This is Twilight Woods. Now, Twilight Woods is not for the weak, okay? I definitely feel like it's like a very you gotta have a taste for this one here because it's very different. I feel like with scents like Twilight Woods, Dark Kiss, and what's that other one, like Black Amethyst, like those ones you kind of have to, I would have included Black Amethyst as well because Black Amethyst is super strong, like, oh my gosh. But Twilight Woods, this lasts all day. Like, I swear, I went to school one day and I put on the Ultra Shea body cream and the fine fragrance mist. You guys, Twilight Woods is long lasting and it smells so good. So this is definitely another date night scent that I would highly recommend. But again, I would definitely make a part 2 to this video because I feel like there's some other scents, but I think I would do Victoria's Secret rather than Bath & Body Works because these scents are strong, but I have some Victoria's Secret fragrances that I feel like can last pretty long. So let me know if you guys want to see a video about that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's really what I would honestly pick for my date night scents. I didn't want to pull a whole bunch of random scents out that I honestly like didn't like or haven't worn, to be able to give you guys my true and honest opinion. But I do appreciate you guys for watching, and if you made it this far, make sure you leave me a green heart in the comments and something nice. I really appreciate you guys, for real. Like, you'll honestly see me respond to you guys because I just genuinely like love you guys, and it's amazing to have all of your support, and I really, really appreciate that. And for my people who do YouTube or want to do a YouTube channel, you're just sitting there contemplating, like maybe you have something to say, what you have to say is worth somebody listening to you. I promise you there's people out here who want to hear what you have to say. And don't you ever let somebody discourage you or tell you anything about yourself or talk down on you. Trust me, a lot of these people wish they were doing what you're doing, so never let that get to you. There was a song I listened to by Fred Hammond. It's funny because when I read, if I ever get a hate comment, because I rarely do like get hate comments, like thank you God, like you guys are the best group of people I could ever have on YouTube. There's a song called No Weapon. That is like my song. Like, it literally went through my head. It was like, no weapon formed against me. Like, y'all know this song. And that is so true. I keep God first, you know, like that's just it. Just keep God first. You guys just pray, and it is what it is. But yes, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I really do. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.